Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video. In this video I will introduce app. It's called PixelCut AI photo editor. So basically this is photo editor. You can edit photos using AI tools. So you can see the statistics of the app. 4.3 ratings out of 5, 1 lakh reviews, 18 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 10 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So if you want to see more feature, like you can remove background, you don't need any other Photoshop or others photo editing tools, perfect cutters. So you can get it here, and you can change the background using AI. You can magic eraser, you can erase people, enhance your image quality. Like if your image resolution low, then you can enhance it through this app. White background, batch editing, so you can edit batch hundreds of template. So it's really easy to use, and many people give the good ratings here. And I will create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.